everyone, Steph here for our very first #Finance Friday tip. So I am super excited to chat with you guys this week and share some tips and tricks for people that have limited credit or are looking to rebuild their credit. So both of those scenarios are awesome, and we really look forward to working with people in both of those situations. So if you are young and have limited credit, a vehicle loan is a great way to start your credit journey, to start building that. By the same token, if you have had some credit hiccups in the past, been through a tough situation, anything like that, a vehicle loan is the fastest way to rebuild your credit. And so it's awesome. We would love to help you in that situation. So my top 3 tips for these situations are: first, be patient. Know that we are working really hard for you behind the scenes, but sometimes it does take some time because we want to make sure that we are exploring all the options for you and getting you the best, present you with the best option that we can. My second tip is be prepared to give us some documents. You know, sometimes we require proof of income and stuff like that. And so if you have those at the ready, that is super helpful for us and for you. And my last tip is pick one dealership. So when you do a credit application, technically that does show on your credit bureau. So if you have, credit inquiries from different dealerships, sometimes that can actually be detrimental to you. So before you decide to go and do a credit application with a dealership, make sure that they are the dealership that you want to work with. So we super look forward to seeing all of you and helping you along your credit journeys. And I hope you enjoyed your first Finance Friday. Bye guys.